Hello, subscribe our channel for more videos. NCM Classroom. Revise quickly the entire chapter morphology with a short time. Don't waste your time. Share it to the needy. The topic is root and its root modifications. Taproot system. Example, dicot plants. Fibrous root system. Example, monocot plants. Storage roots or tuberous roots. Examples, Daucus carota, Raphanus sativus, Beta vulgaris. These three are dicots, but the fasciculated roots are present in asparagus. It is a monocot plant. Velamin roots are epiphytic roots. Example, Vanda. Nodular roots are symbiotic roots. Example, Arachis, Dolichos. Legume plants. Photosynthetic roots or assimilatory roots. Examples, Tinophyllum, Trapa, Tinospora. Respiratory roots or pneumatophores. Rhizophora, Avicennia are examples. Parasitic roots or hostorial roots. Example, Cuscuta, Striga, Santalum, Viscum, Loranthus. Prop roots. Example, Ficus, banyan tree. Stilt roots. Example, Saccharum, Geomase. Subaerial stem modifications. First, runners. Example, Hydrocotyle, Oxalis, Cynodon. Stolons. Example, Jasminum, Mentha, Rosa. Suckers, Chrysanthemum, Musa. Offsets, examples, Pistia, Eichhornia. Stem tendrils, examples, pumpkin, watermelon, cucurbita. These are aerial stem modifications. Thorns, example, citrus, bougainvillea, duranta. Phylloclade, it's a leaf-like stem. Example, Opuntia, it is a flattened stem. Euphorbia, it has a cylindrical stem. Casuarina, it has needle-like stem. These are aerial stem modifications. Another example for aerial stem modification is Cladophyll. Example, Asparagus. Bulbils also aerial stem modification. Example, Dioscorea agave. Venation. Reticulate venation common in dicots. Parallel venation common in monocots. Types of leaves. Simple leaves in Annona-Psidium. Compound leaves are two types, pinnately compound, palmately compound. Pinnately compound examples, Acacia, Tamarindus, Ajadirachta. Pinnately compounds are five types: unifoliate in citrus, bifoliate in Hardwickia, trifoliate in Aigil, tetrafoliate in Marsilia, pentafoliate in Gynandropsis. Phyllotaxy, alternate or spiral phyllotaxy in Hibiscus and Helianthus. Opposite phyllotaxy, it is two types: opposite superposed, example, Quisqualis, opposite decussate, Calotropis. Earled phyllotaxy, example, Nerium. Leaf modifications, tendrils, Pisum, Lathyrus. Spines, examples, Opuntia, agave. Fleshy leaves, examples, Allium and some xerophytes. Phylloids, example, Acacia melanoxylon. Leaf modifications, another one, leaf modification, that is reproductive leaf. Example, Bryophyllum. Insectivorous or trap leaves. Example, Nepenthes or pitcher plant. Racemose or indefinite inflorescence. These are another Different types. First is racemose. Example, Crotalaria mangifera. Another one, corymb. Example, Gynandropsis pyrus. Third is umbel. Example is allium. The fourth one is spike. Example, Achyranthes oryza. Spadix. Examples, Colocasia, Cocos. Head. Example, Helianthus. Another type of inflorescence, cymose or definite inflorescence. Solitary chyme. Example, Hibiscus datura. Cymule. Examples, Bougainvillea jasminum. Monochasial. Example, Solanum hemilia. Dichasial. Example, Ipomea. Polychasial. Example, Nerium. Special type of inflorescence. First one, verticellaster. It is a false url-like structure. Example, Leucas. Belongs to Lamiaceae family. Second special type of inflorescence is cyatium. It's a example, Euphorbiaceae poinsettia. Hypanthodium. Example, Ficus. Symmetry of flower. Actinomorphic. Example, Hibiscus. Zygomorphic. Example, Dolichos. Asymmetric. Example, Kenna. Merosity of flower. Trimerous in allium. Tetramerous in ocimum. Pentamerous in hibiscus. Types of flowers. Hypogynous. Example, hibiscus and calotropis. Perigynous. Example, Dolichos. Epigynous. Example, Tridax asteraceae members. Estivation of flowers. Valvate. Estivation in hibiscus calotropis. Twisted estivation in Datura gossypium. Imbricate estivation in Acacia cisalpinaceae members. Vexillary estivation or papilionaceous estivation. Example, Dolichos pisum fabaceae members. Union of stamens. Monodelphous. Example, hibiscus. Diadelphous. Example, Dolichos. Polydelphous. Example, citrus. Union of stamens. Epicephalus. Grevillea. Epipetalus. Datura. Epiphyllus. Lilium. Size of the stamens. Diadynamous. Example, Salvia ocimum. Tetradynamous. Example, Brassica. Types of gynoecium. Apocarpus in Nelumbo. Syncarpus in hibiscus. Placentation types. Marginal in Dolichos pisum. Axial placentation in Citrus lycopersicon. Free central placentation in Dianthus primula. Basal placentation in Tridax. Parietal placentation in Cucurbita and Brassica. Types of fruits. False fruits. Example, Pyrus anacordium. Fleshy fruits are 5 types. Berry in Musa lycopersicon. Pome in Pyrus. Pepo in Cucurbita. Hesperidium in Citrus or Rutaceae members. Drupe in Mangifera and Cocos. Dry fruits. Dehiscent type. Example, 2 types. Legume. Pisum and Dolichos. Capsule type. Aristolochia and Datura. Indehiscent type. These are 3 types. Caryopsis. Example, Oryza sativa, Triticum vulgare. Cypsela. Example, Tridax. Nut, Anacordium. Third type, Schizocarpic. Example, acacia. Special type of fruits, aggregate fruits in Annona. Compound or multiple fruits in Ficus and Arthropodes. Work more, score more, grow more. Subscribe our channel for more. Thank you.